Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Shopify app permissions for store security, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Shopify app permissions, log into your Shopify admin panel. From the admin dashboard, navigate to the apps section on the left-hand side. Locate the app for which you want to adjust permissions. Click on the app to open its details page. Once in the app details, find and select the Manage Permissions option. You will see a list of permissions requested by the app. Carefully review each permission listed. Consider the specific tasks the app needs to perform for your store. Determine which permissions are essential for the app's functionality. Uncheck any permissions that seem unnecessary or excessive. Make sure you understand what each permission entails before making changes. After adjusting the permissions, look for a Save option. Click Save to apply your changes. If the app requires certain permissions to function, you might see a warning message. In that case, weigh the need for the app against your security preferences. Once permissions are set, return to the main apps page. Consider testing the app to see if it operates as intended with the new settings. If any issues arise, revisit the permissions and adjust as necessary. Regularly review app permissions to maintain your store's security. Keep in mind that fewer permissions enhance your overall security posture. Stay informed about the apps you have installed and their data requirements. Doing so will help you manage your store effectively while keeping security in mind. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.